Say hi to Sam.
Gloves.
Yeah. By the way,
I'm just shaking this.
I had to buy this because I'm not sure if the manufacturer didn't include it in the packaging or if Chuck's didn't include it in their package they sent me separately, but I didn't have the web
Somebody
terms.
just dropped the ball.
Someone dropped the ball, but $15 at Joanne Fabrics gets you 144 inches of web strapping. And it's good stuff.
It's actually better quality than this.
It's a little bit better quality than that, yeah. It's thicker. We're dealing with a little bit of technical difficulties with the equipment. Sam is trying to figure out what happened because every other staple it would just jam, and at least every time I tried it, it jammed. So it wasn't just me; it jammed on him too.
So we're done. So essentially, we had the pressure too high on the air compressor for this particular gun. It kept jamming, so I took it all apart just to find that out. So, me done.
So ban idiots, not the manuals that you should read.
Yeah.
Is it doing it?
It's not jamming.
Okay, we're gonna go get a different staple gun because this one is not working and it's gotta. But I will have to say this is kind of going along with how this whole thing has been going. But at least we got this part. Well, this made some good progress today, but I'm going to go to pick up Claire right now. I need to pick up some quartering staples because right now I've got like they're pretty long. The problem is, you try to staple into this, it hits the metal reinforcement and just kind of stops, and then it does weird things like it puts it into an M. So I need to go get some shallower staples, and I think we'll be okay. Hopefully we'll get the web strapping in today and get started on the cushion, on the insulating foam padding. Okay, it really makes a difference when you have the right staples, because the problem with this, and here, I'll show you this quick. See these little funny looking M's? These happen because there's metal inside, and as soon as the staple would hit the metal, it would go, ugh. So see right here? That's what happens when you have the right size. What? What?
My entire earbud just like shocked me and started crackling.
Oh, you okay? I told you I was getting shocked. It's because of this.
How does that make my earbuds go all crackly and weird?
Because you're touching earbuds and your skin. Okay, go put that into the kitchen on the table. Or at least on a couch or something.
Ah!
Do it again? This shocked you again?
It hurts.
Okay. I'm sorry, Kurt. Yeah, this thing is full of static. So the bar goes here, rod goes inside here, okay? It goes inside this little trench, which we need to bend all the tabs up. Because what happens is that the thing has to come up and then like underneath and then go back down into the thing so then I can hog ring tie it like that. So this part is going to be still underneath that. So this has to go into down into that slit. It's your new superpower, Claire. You get to be shocked by things.
It's not very useful.
Huh?
It's not very useful.
I didn't say it had to be, but. Yeah, that's fine. It's really close. Okay, this has to be on the side though, so it has to stay there. Okay. So that's
As
40.
long as we're gonna get for now.
This is it looks pretty good.
I can't get it off.
Yes,
Just get that off.
Okay, so now is it 4 inches here though? That's what.
I can't tell if you haven't taken the stupid thing off yet.
Okay. Is it 4 inches from the bottom of this to the top of that? Yeah. Okay.
That's probably the best we're gonna get.
Okay. Okay.
It was the face.
Okay, you can snap that.
It's probably not exact, but it's also exact it's gonna get. That's all super noticeable anyway.
Okay, we can go home.
What?
We can go home.
Alright.
Well, today we made some good progress, even though it took a little time to get there, but we got the head liner installed and sewn. We did the straps, we did the top up here, the front belt, including the straps, and then we got this installed, got the window installed in the frame. We start working on the actual padding tomorrow. So it's got the little quarter pieces over here. Making progress. Hopefully tomorrow we can get the padding and the top done. That's what I'm hoping. Whether or not I can get the window done tomorrow, I don't think so.
Isn't the collar on that copper pipe pretty?
Yes, that's very
What did
good.
I just go?
Don't bonk things, please.
I did the collar.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
And good tidings.
See you tomorrow. What?
Cheer.
Farewell and good tidings
And good cheer.
and good cheer.